Hello, in front of me I've got ZEEKER Dash Cam. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. In the beginning, take a look at the top of device. Right here you can check ID of device, Dual Dash Cam info. Now take a look at the back of original box. Here you can find some specification, battery type, voltage, warranty information, serial number. On this side we can find video resolution info, built-in G sensor and loop recording info. And on the other side you can find warnings. Now let's start with opening the original box. On this carton we've got QR code for extended warranty. Now we can find plastic box with camera and carton box with main camera and accessories. Here we can find dash cam, suction mount, 3M adhesive mount for rear camera, screws, rear camera with cable clip, charging cable, card reader and car charger. Let's open this. Here we've got the card reader, mounts, rear camera, suction mount, cable for connection, and in the end tool to organize cables. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.